Number 1.
1989 GMC Sierra, price $9,750, powered by a high-performance GMHP 4.3L gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission, showing just 125,000 miles on the odometer and clad in a sleek black exterior with a fresh gray interior. The truck delivers a remarkably spunky, fast, and fun driving experience. Around the 100,000-mile mark, a comprehensive mechanical overhaul was performed, replacing essential components such as the distributor, radiator, coolant, water pump, hoses, main belt, harmonic balancer, and complete AC system. The chassis benefits from a fully rebuilt front end, near-new rubber mounts, and great tires that ensure a tight, solid ride, inside and out. The Sierra has been thoroughly upgraded with a newly refreshed interior, new window regulators and switches, fresh window tint, and a brand new windshield. Supported by recent oil and transmission fluid changes, this well-maintained classic offers a perfect blend of high-performance reliability, modern comfort updates, and timeless style ready for its next owner.
Number 2.
2002 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,500, powered by a strong gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. This truck stands as an exceptionally clean half-ton pickup showing just 110,000 miles on the odometer while sporting a vibrant new red exterior paint job and a freshly restored gray interior inside the cabin, maintaining complete, clear paperwork with no underlying mechanical issues or warnings whatsoever. Both the engine and transmission remain in prime running condition, delivering a smooth, dependable, and tight driving experience every time it hits the road. The truck's eye-catching overall stance has been significantly upgraded with a brand new set of custom wheels and tires,
which perfectly complement its flawless outer bodywork and fresh coat of paint.
Impeccably clean inside and out, the interior cabin benefits from entirely new upholstery, refreshed seating, and clean dashboard components that mirror the meticulous care given to the exterior.
Number 3.
1988 Ford F-150, price $6,000, powered by a 302 V8 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. This 20-wheel drive truck displays just 83,000 miles on the odometer and sports a classic brown exterior. The vehicle rides on polished wheels wrapped in brand new BFG all-terrain tires and breathes through a custom exhaust system running all the way from the headers to the tips. Comprehensive mechanical updates include a fully rebuilt front end, new brakes all around, a new radiator, battery, remanufactured alternator, starter, and fresh ignition components, allowing it to run and drive well, visually presenting as a solid 10-footer with imperfect paint. The truck, built on a sturdy frame, does show typical rust in the cab floors, a project the owner originally intended to address along with new carpeting. Additional minor quirks include a non-functioning fuel gauge, a broken gear shift indicator cable, and the absence of an air conditioning system.
Number 4.
2001 Dodge Ram 3500, price $8,900, powered by the iconic 5.9L turbo diesel engine paired with a manual transmission. This truck dually shows 287,000 miles and features a clean silver exterior with a gray interior. Built as a heavy-duty rear-wheel drive truck, it packs serious pulling power while keeping things comfortable inside with ice-cold AC. The truck comes with a clean title in hand, ready to roll. With its dual rear wheels, legendary turbo diesel motor, and desirable manual setup, this heavy-duty Ram 3500 is a solid, dependable rig ready to haul heavy loads or tackle tough jobs right away.
Number 5.
2000 GMC Sierra 1500, price $9,999, powered by a reliable 4.3L V6 gasoline engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. This truck shows just 139,000 miles on the odometer while sporting a clean white exterior paired with a comfortable gray interior. The truck runs and drives exceptionally well, offering a tight mechanical feel and a refreshing cabin setup complete with ice-cold air conditioning for warm summer days. What makes this half-ton pickup stand out is its impressive overall condition, featuring a completely rust-free body and a super clean truck bed that shows minimal signs of heavy wear. Combining sensible V6 fuel efficiency, low original mileage for its age, and a spotless, rust-free frame inside and out, this GMC Sierra serves as a solid, turnkey workhorse ready for daily driving or reliable work duty.
Number 6.
2003 Chevrolet 1500, price $9,777, showcasing a classic gold exterior paired with a comfortable beige interior. This truck, a well-maintained four-wheel drive pickup with an automatic transmission and 157,000 miles on the gasoline-powered odometer. The centerpiece of this truck is its ultra-rare quadristeer four-wheel steering system, which operates in perfect working condition to deliver an extraordinarily tight turning radius and remarkable handling stability for a full-size vehicle. Under the hood lies a dependable 5.3L V8 engine this single-owner vehicle remains remarkably clean for its model year. Boasting a fully loaded LT interior complete with premium audio and radio controls, convenient power amenities, and a solid set of quality tires, this Chevy presents a unique, turnkey opportunity for any enthusiast or truck buyer looking for a standout cruiser.
Number 7.
2005 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,700, featuring a clean beige exterior paired with a practical gray interior. This truck shows 181,000 miles on the odometer and runs on a dependable gasoline setup. Beneath the hood, it is equipped with a very strong 4.8L Vortec engine connected to a smooth automatic transmission, making it a reliable performer that comes fully serviced and ready to hit the road. The truck comes equipped with a practical tow package and a nice truck bed toolbox. Inside the cabin, drivers can enjoy complete climate comfort with ice-cold air conditioning and hot heating, all supported by an outstanding maintenance history and a completely rust-free body. With its clean title in hand, low maintenance reliability, and strong mechanical shape, this well-cared-for Chevy pickup stands out as an exceptional, turnkey workhorse ready for its next owner.
Number 8.
1994 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000, sporting a striking blue exterior matched with a complete blue interior. This truck shows 150,000 miles on the odometer and runs on a classic gasoline setup. The pickup has been upgraded with a powerful 5.3L LS V8 swap paired with a Stage 1 rebuilt 4L60E automatic transmission, delivering a strong and engaging driving experience complemented by the rich sound of a custom Borlet exhaust system. The truck runs and drives well, benefiting from a brand new fuel pump and thoroughly cleaned fuel injectors. While the current stock setup is fully functional, upgrading to aftermarket injectors will allow the new owner to unlock the engine's maximum performance potential. The Chevrolet 1500 offers a fun, high-potential platform ready for its next owner to enjoy and fine-tune.
Number 9.
1995 Chevrolet 1500, price $8,000, showing 180,000 miles on the odometer. This truck features a sleek black exterior matched with a dark black interior and runs on a gasoline-powered V6 engine paired with a smooth automatic transmission. The truck runs and drives exceptionally well with no fluid leaks, while keeping the cabin comfortable year-round with fully working air conditioning and heating. The pickup benefits from solid mechanical upkeep, including a completely rebuilt front end completed during the first year of current ownership and a fresh transmission installed by the previous owner. The engine block bears a stamp indicating a rebuild around 2015, and the vehicle rides on a set of 2-year-old tires. Enhanced with a brand new front grille to round out its clean aesthetic, this reliable Chevy stands as a well-maintained, turnkey daily driver ready for its next owner.
Number 10.
1988 Jeep Comanche, price $4,600, showing 276,000 miles on the odometer. This truck a gray exterior paired with a matching gray interior and runs on a 4.0L inline-6 gasoline engine mated to an automatic transmission with a two-wheel drive setup. Supported by a desirable Dana 44 rear axle, this fun pickup runs and drives well, serving reliably as a daily driver. The truck is equipped with newer oversized tires, an aftermarket muffler that produces a great exhaust note, an EGR delete, and a functional heating system, though the air conditioning was disconnected by a prior owner, and the radio wiring requires a new connector installation. The truck benefits from new rear brakes and brake lines, though the right rear wheel currently exhibits a noticeable squeak, and the engine occasionally experiences a minor stumble upon initial acceleration. While the floor pans have rusted through, the rest of the body remains remarkably clean.